whew, people see the Erne where the pros are hitting it, or that one I just hit right there, and like, that's sexy, that's exciting, but the Erne is also effective. I want to simplify the Erne to just 4 key steps that'll help you.
Hold on, first off, the whole sexy thing, we can just back that up. But 4 steps, he's saying?
4.
Like literally, we're gonna say, not process 4 steps, but literally 4 physical steps. I just want to clear that up.
Yeah. Perfect. So there's gonna be another video and we talk about what to look for and when to go, but we want you to know what to do when it comes time to go. It's 4 steps. It's right, left, right, left. At this point in time, we're on the sidelines near the net. I'm hitting a forehand winner and the point is over.
Perfect, so just to kind of tie this up, I want to give you one tip about your body. A lot of people, when they do this, they come up and out with their momentum and their weight. I really want to make sure my momentum stays from 1 directly to 4. So my body's thinking along this hypotenuse here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That way we are leaning into the court, we are able to reach in the court and stabilize on this plant foot. Let's take one little take here just to see what it looks like in real time. 1, 2, 3, 4, simple and plain, 4 easy steps, walk around Erne.